welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, June 27th, 2011. Today we have a total of 4 executable trade signals for a max potential of 27 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed by our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning and we actually had prior to the open, we actually had a pre-market theoretical half gap trade in the process, and that signal did happen right at 8:30, and it did go down to targets 1 and targets 2 and filled that half gap for 6 ticks. And then we finally opened up around 64.50 and the market continued to push down underneath our gold line here. It came through that moving average right about 9:42, and you can see the speed of the move. That sets up what we call an extension trade, because that move gets a little vertical there and there's multiple green bars in a row, and so we start looking for an extension, and sure enough we get one, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 16 ticks. And you can see this market went all the way up to 73.50 or so before coming back down through the moving average. Before coming back down to the moving average, ultimately broke through the moving average, gave yourself a signal short right around 11:15, came up there, hit it a couple of times. Now I know a lot of you may not have gotten filled on this, but it did. There was, on the single candle hit, we won't count that trade, but when we have a couple of candles that hit that level, there are obviously people that are getting filled, and we moved down. I did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks, heading into the lunchtime dead zone. You can see right before the dead zone, they did find support of that previous Globex high level, and came right back to the moving average, gave another signal long, but of course during the dead zone we do not take those signals. That's the period between 11:30 and 1:15. We just kind of sit on our hands and wait for the lunch crowd to be done, and then we start looking again, and there was this fast cross down through the moving average, gave a signal short, and we did not make it down to our T2 target, which just made it to the swing low. Came up, stopped us out, ended up what we call a reduced risk stop out, and that's a T1 -2. And then the market just slingshot to the upside. This one was too fast even to get an extension on. It just went parabolic and just stayed up there all the way through the end of the day. So there was no opportunities there to get on that quick move towards the end of the day. But you can see the market is pushing higher, and it ended up being a nice move, kicking off this holiday week. We have the 4th of July holiday coming this next weekend. So a little bit of euphoria heading into that. So all in all, pretty good day. 4 trades, 27 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including other chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.